Welcome to the SmartLink AI training video series. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create QR code from bio links in SmartLink AI. Just select the bio links option. Now you are in data entry section. Just add the name and email you want to create QR about. Just add blocks to your QR code. Fill required details to your block. You can design your QR according to your choice. By clicking on Next and your QR code is ready to use. Just download your QR code in your desired format. Thanks for watching video.